Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Breast cancer is the top cancer killer in women today. 684,000 women die every year because of this disease.
One woman is diagnosed with breast cancer every 3 minutes. One woman dies of breast cancer every 6 minutes. While breast cancer is more common in older women, in recent years the number of cases are increasing in younger women too. 1 in every 28 women is likely to develop breast cancer during her lifetime. For every 2 women detected with breast cancer, 1 woman succumbs to it. More than 90,000 women died in 2020 due to breast cancer. Routine screenings help to detect breast cancer early. This early detection leads to better chances of survival with lesser treatment costs.
Every day, more than 2,000 women die unnecessarily because of late detection of breast cancer. Early detection of breast cancer can save so many lives because it improves the treatment efficacy and also reduces the treatment cost, and the person can be very healthy even after a surgery. Unfortunately, in a country like India, we lose half of the women detected with breast cancer, 50% mortality rate. How can we reduce this? This can only be reduced if we can enable regular screening with a device that can detect early cancer. Regular screening may be every year or every alternate year for every person. But that's very expensive because a mammography, which is the default standard for breast cancer, can be as high as 80 lakh rupees. How many villages can afford this device? Secondly, it cannot work on women under 45 years of age. And unfortunately in India, many women less than 40 years, less than 45 years are getting detected with breast cancer.
This problem is definitely serious and needed to be addressed. Geeta Manjunath, founder of Niramai, took it upon herself to do the needful.
So in order to address this problem, at Niramai, we have developed a new method of detecting breast cancer where we just measure the temperature variations on the chest using an infrared imaging device. It measures 4 lakh temperature points per person, and we have developed an artificial intelligence-based solution which analyzes this 4 lakh temperature points and generates a report which says whether there's an abnormality. If there is an abnormality, what is the probability that it is actually cancer and where is it, so that a follow-up diagnostic workup can be done at that particular area. All this is done completely automatically using computer-aided analysis of temperature maps.
The screening process is completed in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Obtain patient's details. A trained female technician will explain you the process. The test is initiated after you give your consent to perform the screening. The technician will request you to share your relevant medical history and any complaints. Step 2. Cooling down. You will be required to undress your upper body in a private screening room. You will be seated on a rotating stool in front of an AC or a cooler for about 10 minutes. Step 3. Capturing thermal images. A thermal sensing device will be placed about 3 feet in front of you. The technician will be outside the screening room to maintain your privacy. The technician will capture your thermal images in these 5 positions. Please follow the instructions given by the technician to help her take the images. Imaging will just take 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you can dress up and come out. At any point during the screening procedure, feel free to ask the technician for assistance. You will receive your breast health report within one working day.
This method is completely unique. Nobody in this world has it. This is a made in India product and it's making a huge difference in the world as well. It's very simple. The lady just enters into a room, she closes the door and then removes her clothes. Nobody sees her without clothes. Just measuring temperature. There is no radiation, no pain, no compression. She sits there inside the room for about 10 minutes and comes out, her report will be ready. This test can be conducted by even simple health workers. Don't need doctors to do the initial screening. Only when somebody is found to have an abnormality, then they can be brought to a hospital. Think about it. There are so many women in the villages. Can we get everyone to a hospital to do this high expensive screening every year? Impossible. So we have developed this portable method which can be put into a backpack. You can take it out and do rural screening camps in villages and even at places like temples or houses itself. And without touching the person or seeing the person, you can detect whether she has an abnormality.
The benefits of this method are manifold. It can be used on women of all ages and also for women having dense breasts. It detects abnormal areas in the breast at a very early stage. It is radiation free. It just measures your temperature. This is no touch, no see private screening procedure. The cost per screening is significantly lower as compared to existing screening tests. Thermalytics has higher sensitivity than X-ray based tests. The test can be used by any person above the age of 18 years with or without the symptoms. It enables post-surgery follow-ups and monitoring during treatment procedures.
In Kalburgi district of Karnataka, we did a screening for 4,000 women. Only 76 had to be brought to a hospital. How much money you have saved, how much effort you have saved, how much discomfort you have saved, right? Because every day matters for the villagers, because every day they're earning money. We cannot simply bring everybody. And out of this 70, so many women had cancer and they have been treated. Same thing in Punjab. We did about 8,000 women. So like this, in many, many villages, we have done this screening. It is available in 200 plus hospitals, diagnostic centers in 30 cities of India. And we have made an impact for more than 1 lakh women so far. It is a very unique solution made in India. We have 31 granted international patents. To prove that something is unique, you have to file a patent. And there will be lots of people reviewing it, experts reviewing it to grant the patent. Now we have 12 granted Indian patents, 11 granted US patents, and other patents in China, Japan, Singapore, Canada, Germany, and recently in Europe also we got a patent. So all of these patents show that it's a unique solution developed in India for the world. With this, smallest of the small cancers can be detected. Again, without touching the person, without seeing the person. So many women have loved taking this test, and we have been able to save thousands of women from getting detected with late breast cancer. And by treating them early, we have really saved many, many lives.
Innovators like Geeta Manjunath are coming up with innovative solutions to problems which persist for a very long time, and thus contributing their bit in making world a better place to live.